Hi, I'm Captain Lee. One of the best parts about owning a boat is learning how to fix the things that break on it. Through YouTube and the help of a company called Sailrite, I was able to help repair my Bimini top, which the zippers got wrecked in a windstorm last fall. Now the zippers themselves didn't break and the stitching didn't break, but the gliders did, and were old and corroded. I would like to be able to show you how I was able to fix them. This is the Bimini top for my 38-foot Californian. Last fall, a big wind came through and pretty much ripped it off. It didn't wreck any of the stitching, but it broke several of the zippers, which were old and kind of corroded anyway. So today, we're going to replace the gliders that go on the zippers. If I was to go into a sales shop or a canvas shop, I'm probably looking at least $100 in repair costs. So today, with a couple of tools and some parts that we got from Sailrite, an awesome place that has an amazing supply of canvas and sewing materials for the marine industry. And what we're going to do is replace these zippers that were broken and corroded with new ones. These are called YKK zippers, based on the thickness of the zipper. My old zippers were metal and they corroded, and several of them broke off. So in order to get the zippers off, we have to take apart this little clip that comes off the end. And we do that with a needle nose pliers, which we can grab underneath here. And on one side, it's just easier to grab and get the tip locked in. We get a good grip on it. We turn it around and slip a screwdriver in it, a small screwdriver, and bend it up. And once it's bent up enough, it should come right off. And that's the stop. We'll take our old zipper and slide it up. Now remember which direction it goes in. The V side comes off. And we'll take our new zipper and we'll put the flat side back. Now these zippers are double-sided. They're mostly for curtains, so you could open from the inside and the outside. They didn't have the single-sided ones in stock, and it didn't seem like they were going to get them for a while. So I bought the double-sided ones for maybe a dollar extra. And so we just slowly slip this on, and we bring it back down. Now I'm going to just double check to make sure the zipper works. So I slide it in. And I've got a perfectly good zipper. Now we'll go in and replace that clip so that the zipper doesn't slide off the end. So we're going to take our clip and we'll slide it over the second to last tooth here. And we take our pliers and grab it and squeeze. And that gets it set on. And then we're going to grab it from the lower side, right below the tooth, and give it a really good squeeze to make sure that it's not going to come off. It looks pretty good. Now we can test it. We'll run the zipper up. and we'll make sure it doesn't come off. Now this zipper's all corroded. And on this end, we have a bigger bar instead of the clamp. So we're going to take our scissors and just go in and cut that free. And then we'll take our zipper and it slides off the end. We'll take our new zipper and slide it on. And then we can just put a new crimp on here, and that will set us up. So for about maybe $15, I've redone my whole cover with new gliders and new stops.